Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to send message in Grow a Garden 2, even if you are on a different server and the chat feature isn't available. So with the current chat restrictions, communicating with friends can be a little difficult, but don't worry, there's a simple trick you can use. You can use the mailbox on this Grow a Garden 2. First, just walk over to the mailbox in front of your garden and then just tap on view like this. And then in here, just search your friends like this, and then it's just to send a message you need to send one gift along with it. This can be something simple like a seed or pet like this, and then it's just write your message at this area, at a note like this. You can just write your message on here, and then after that you can just tap on send, and your friend will receive the gift and be able to read the note that you attach. So even if you are in a different servers and can't use chat, you can still communicate through mailbox notes. Just remember, every message requires sending a gift together with it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.